Hi everybody, welcome to AZIIE's Creative English Teaching Lesson. In this lesson, I am going to give a short introduction to all the tenses. There are 12 tenses in English. First of all, there are mainly 3 tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each tense has 4 parts. They are: first is simple tenses. The second one is continuous tenses. Third one is perfect tenses. Fourth one is perfect continuous tenses. Simple tenses are simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Next, the continuous tenses are present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Then the perfect tenses are present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Then the perfect continuous tenses are present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. So these are the all tenses in English. First of all, we can see the sentence structure: subject, verb, object. So the subject is she, the verb is write, the object is a story. So we can see the simple tenses first. First one is simple present tense. The structure is subject, verb plus do does plus object. The example is she writes a story. She writes a story. So, structure is subject, tall.